manually assign shift on week off for employees, first, log in to the ESS portal with your manager credentials. Go to the Leave menu and click on the Approval submenu. Click on the More at the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on the Roster Management subtab. Select the date range. Then, click on the View button. Select the checkbox for the employee for whom you want to assign the shift. Click on the drop-down for the respective date and select the shift you want to assign to the employee. Click on the Save button.